Here from Eightcap. Welcome to today's update. So, thank you for tuning in. And it's been a pretty interesting week. We're looking at the US30 today on the daily chart, but just looking back over the last 24 hours, obviously we saw that the road to the spot BTC ETF has approval. So we are going to see them. Been a little bit interested in some of the reactions from some of the markets. We've seen some pretty good gains today from some markets, but other markets have been a bit more retracted in their response. So we are watching that and seeing how it goes. But yeah, definitely check out, ADA, Polkadot, Ethereum had a really good day yesterday. Not trying to say that we called it, but it definitely moved. It was one of the best moving markets out of all of the crypto majors yesterday. And yeah, we did do a report on that yesterday if you'd like to have a look at that. But I think Bitcoin was a little bit surprising. It is trying to kick up a little bit today, but it had quite a muted response yesterday. So we are still trying to work out whether it's a bit of sell the news by the rumor, but we will continue this to see how that eventuates during the rest of the week. Now, onto the US30, the key one coming out tonight for locally at 12:30 into Friday is the CPI data. Now, they are expecting the year-on-year to come in a touch higher, and the core and the CPI month-on-month to come in at 0.2%. So if we do see a bit of a surprise to the downside, now will that be enough to give the US30 another shot in the arm and push it above this resistance level here, effectively just completing a breakout of this consolidation? And we also do have a little bit of a ascending triangle pattern here, and I'll just put in that line so we can see that there is that pattern at the moment. You can see the volumes dropping away a bit as well in this consolidation. The grey box actually it shows us the entire consolidation that we are watching, and inside of that we can see the current short-term resistance and support with those two red and green marked areas. So, and then, as just mentioned, we can see that there's that range, and we have a ascending triangle as well. And in an uptrend, when we see those patterns, we do look at them to be bullish continuation patterns. So, with how long this one's been drawing out for, we'll hopefully, if we do see a bit of, if we do see another positive influence, we will see a breakout and a new leg higher. We will continue to look for price to make a new leg higher until we see further evidence that suggests that this pattern could be failing, but for now we will look at it to continue on higher. So we'll be watching the CPI later, and obviously general momentum, but we really do think with some of the comments that have been coming out of the Fed this week and with other Fed members, we will be looking to see if CPI can sort of really draw a line in the sand and start to paint a good picture for us. So if we do see as expected data, hopefully it maintains the current bullish momentum that we are seeing. But if we did see a CPI increase above expected to the upside, that could give sellers enough to really cut down this current buying that we're seeing. There's really a couple of days of buying here. Cut that down at this resistance point. So we'll continue to see if buyers can break that resistance point before the CPI data and continue momentum. But yeah, if we do see any surprises, we'll look for sellers to come in pretty strong from this resistance point all the way up to this area. And then if we do see a surprise to the downside from the CPI and momentum does still continue to carry on, which it should, with the dollar moving lower as well, look to see if it can complete a breakout and we see a new up leg higher. So some of the things we are watching on the US30, and earlier in this update, we've just given a quick recap over the Bitcoin ETF situation as it continues to develop. So that's it from us today. We wish you all the best for the weekend. This will be our last individual market report for the week. And we wish you all the best. Have a fantastic weekend, and hopefully the markets have been kind to you. And wish you good trading good trading as well. So thanks, and bye for now.